And a most pleasant good day to each and every one. J7409 here with you with weather news. Yes, the name you know, the news you can use. On today, Tuesday, the 14th of August, 2018. Thank you so much for joining me today to check out the weather. Right now, I'm focusing in on this area of Oklahoma. Looks like maybe there's a very good possibility here coming up later tonight, say anywhere from around 9, 10, 11 o'clock. You guys could have some severe weather if you are in these areas. As you can see right here, I just wanted to point this out really quick for you so you would be aware. I brought it down just a little bit so you can see these showers and thunderstorms are stretching a long way, okay? We have them over here in Elk City. It's moving all the way up into Missouri. It will be moving to the northeastward off. So everybody up in Kansas, you guys are going to have a chance of severe weather, as well as parts of Nebraska later. I wanted to start off with thunderstorms first thing this morning because some of these thunderstorms really can turn into tornadoes, my friends, okay? So there is that small chance, and even if they don't, if you are in the vicinity of one of these stronger thunderstorms, greatest possibility of hail and downdraft winds 40, 50, 60, maybe even 70 miles per hour. It all depends on where you are and what the conditions are at the time that the thunderstorms make up and form. This is around 12 p.m. lunchtime today. Just want to give this brief rundown of the entire United States. This will be around, let's see, let's crank it up here to around 5 p.m. this afternoon. You can see they're popping up everywhere, still going to pop up. Poor New Jersey's been flooded out, as well as parts of Pennsylvania and all up and down. Water spouts have been up and down the entire coast yesterday. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I didn't have a very good day yesterday, and I'll just leave it at that physically. And when I say that, I mean with my getting around. But I'm doing better today, and I want to get this out here to you right quick. We will move along now to around 10 p.m. tonight. You can see in Oklahoma, I blew that up, and this is the area that I showed you just a few moments ago. You guys need to be aware of what's happening. Also, this is what it's looking like around midnight to 1 a.m. in the morning. You can see they're moving on over now, these storms, heavier storms over into Missouri, also in Kansas. And we've got a little bit of a chance of some severe thunderstorms happening up in the area of South Dakota as well as Wyoming. And that's what the severe thunderstorms are looking like right now for today and this evening. Checking out the Atlantic. Remember we had a system down here. Well, it fizzled out yesterday and went away. It's nothing anymore. It was right down in this area. Up here we still have disturbance number 1. It's orange now, but it's not going to make it, people. It's still a non-tropical low-pressure system. It's about 700 miles south of Cape Race in Newfoundland, and it is producing a large area of cloudiness and disorganized thunderstorms, mainly to the east of the center. Now, the environmental conditions are forecast to become somewhat more conducive, for some subtropical or tropical development by tomorrow. The system is forecast, though, to move to the northeastward area over colder waters of the North Atlantic by late Thursday or Friday, and that should limit any additional development, okay? So we'll have to see what happens with it. I'll keep my eyes on it for you. It's got a 40% chance for 2 days and 5 days of becoming a little stronger. And of course, this is the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. You can see this low right in here, going around and around. I should say this way. It's going to push off though, okay? We got all this other stationary, quasi-stationary fronts that are keep trying to move off, going to bring more rain up into the New England area, parts of New York and Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine will get some before it's over too. So let's cut this on. Let me tell you exactly what is going on. You see, a quasi-stationary front is extending from parts of the northeast southward across coastal parts of the mid-Atlantic into parts of the southeast, and it's going to slowly, and I emphasize slowly, dissipate by tomorrow morning. Now, showers and thunderstorms will develop along parts of the mid-Atlantic coast into the southeast and east Gulf Coast through tomorrow night. In addition, an upper level low over the northern mid-Atlantic, northern Appalachians will slowly move northeastward off the northeast coast by tomorrow night. Now, the energy will aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the lower Great Lakes, northeast and parts of the northern mid-Atlantic that will move off the northeast coast by tomorrow morning. Now, the showers and thunderstorms will have the greatest aerial coverage during the late afternoon into the late evening hours today. So, more than likely, you might not get any rain in these areas till after lunch, say around 2, 3 o'clock. We'll have to wait and see. These things move as they want, you know. Meanwhile, we got another upper level low over the central plains, and it's going to slowly move eastward into the middle Mississippi Valley while weakening by tomorrow night. Now, the energy is going to be triggering showers and thunderstorms over parts of the central and southern plains and into parts of the middle lower Mississippi Valley that will likewise move eastward into parts of the Ohio Valley and parts of the middle Mississippi Valley by tomorrow night into Thursday. Additionally, a front extending from the upper Great Lakes, upper Mississippi Valley, westward to the Great Basin will move eastward into parts of the northern New England area across the Great Lakes and then southwestward to the Central Plains by tomorrow evening. Now, showers and thunderstorms are going to develop along the boundary of this from parts of the upper Mississippi Valley, northern plains, into parts of the northern Rockies that will move eastward to the northeast areas and Great Lake areas into parts of the northern plains by tomorrow evening into Thursday. Elsewhere, weak monsoonal moisture and daytime heating, as always, is going to aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the southwest Great Basin and into parts of the central southern Rockies through tomorrow night. Now, these showers and thunderstorms have the greatest aerial coverage, as always, during the late afternoon and late evening today and tomorrow. If it's your first time over here and you enjoy the weather as much as myself and all my subscribers do, please click subscribe and subscribe, click the bell, and check off the email notification to make sure that you get all the latest in weather news, forecast, watches, warnings, and tropical weather. Look at all the fires. Now, this isn't all of them, I don't think, to my greatest belief and understanding, but there are many. I want you to take a look. You know, we talk about all the fires that are in the U.S. going on. Sunday, I believe it was Sunday, I heard this report, there were 93 fires going on in the U.S., and that wasn't counting all the ones up here in Canada. Now, a lot of people last week especially were getting smoke, like Montana, Washington State, Idaho. You were getting smoke and haze as well as in these other places. All of this was not coming from California, though, as a lot of us may think. A lot of this came down the smoke from Canada, okay? Look, there's wildfires going on everywhere. And, of course, there's what's happening with the fire and the volcanoes over in Hawaii over there. But just take a look at South America. And then when we come over to Africa, look at all these fires. There's fires going on in China. There's fires going on. Look at all the fires going on in Russia. Did you guys have any idea all of these fires were burning all over the world. Look at Australia. Look at all these places. It seems like just about every continent has fires on it right now. I wanted to bring this to your attention. And not just one, but very, very many. So with that all said and done, everybody have a good day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the likes and the comments, and please share this information. That helps this channel a lot. It helps me out a lot when you share this information. Thank you for the donations. I thank you for watching my videos, and I love every one of you so much, and don't ever forget that. Everybody be safe. Keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you. And much peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.